Buzz.
Hi.
Buzz. Bumblebee, trick or treat.
Yeah.
Car.
No. Can't go on the street. The car bumped you. You want to get bumped, do you?
Trick or treat, Riley.
Hey, trick or treat.
Oh.
Here you go.
What's up, Killer Bee?
I got the Kit Kat, Riley.
Get the Kit Kat.
Kit Kat.
Get the Kit Kat.
She can kind of walk in her slippers and falling off though.
You want some Kit Kat? Slow down.
Should we put your slipper back on you?
That slipper's coming off.
Here, let's put your slippers back up. Here, I gotta get a nice face shot of you, kid. Riley, look at Mom.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Can you trick or treat your own house? Hey, little bumblebee.
Bzzz. Riley, can you say owl? Riley, can you say owl?
Hey, Riles.
Riley, say owl.
Riley. Sucker?
Say
Lollipop?
owl. Uh-oh, your shoe's coming off.
Yeah, both of them are.
Give it the pop.
Thank you, honey. Oh, both of them?
Say owl.
Come here, let's put your shoe on.
Go put your shoes on. Go over there and Cindy, let you put. It's gonna fall.
You want some chocolate? No? Okay.